These are staplers for wood are used for fastening fabrics, paper, or other materials on wood. There are the classic manuals, electric staplers, and pneumatic. These tools can be used with staples, grommets or pins depending on the model. Starting from the manuals, we find the standard models that have a lever for the point release as the models 23 or RP33, or hammer that allow the fixing in hard-to-reach points. These use standard staples such as those of the 13 series, or those of the M77 or M88 series. Electric staplers can instead use both staples and nails suitable for medium-high production, because there is no need to apply efforts in using them. Of these there are also two battery models, convenient for the absence of cable, which boast a long-range power supply system of about 1300 shots with a charging, or pneumatics, which are divided into standard staples or special staples for pins, grommets or plastic pins. Finally, there are models with riveter used both for the closure of boxes and other products, which fold the staple once fired. For more information, you can contact us by writing an email or calling